What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Gus and this is Calirebuildables. Okay guys, so I'm gonna continue working on the Jeep. Here's the video for this past week. I am working on another project. I am working on at the same time I've been working on the Jeep, on the Buick, and I bought another project, so stay tuned for that. So let's get back to the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, guys. Follow me on Instagram and stuff like that. Like, share, subscribe, give it a thumbs down, give it a thumbs up, whatever makes you happy. So let's get to the video. Okay guys, this is where we at. I added some fiberglass there. So you can see right there. I still gotta add some more. Sand it down more just to get to the fiberglass. Add more resin and fiberglass, and finish it off with some bondo. I gotta do the same thing right there. Most likely that's gonna be only bondo, and right here only a little bit of bondo too. Right here too, just a little bit of bondo. Probably sand that down a little bit more and add some fiberglass. But beyond that, everything's looking okay. Show you guys the front end. It's coming together. It's coming together. Okay guys, there's some bondo laid. I did the fiberglass. The kit came with this stuff, the actual fiberglass and the resin. It's right here. Came out in this package for like 20 bucks. But that fiberglass is applied. I'm doing some bondo. That's the worst part like I said, and I'm gonna let it dry and see what happens.
Get $25 off your next purchase of Armor Shield 9 using promo code CALI25. Link in video description.
So right here I'm gonna add some adhesion promoter only on the exposed plastic. Okay guys, as you can see, I started sanding this section now. Everything right here is okay. I still need to sand the edges back in here, and for that I would have to remove it. But the bondo's still drying. The bondo's still drying. I am using the sander, and before applying the bondo and the fiberglass I used 80 grit, that one. Then I moved up to 120, and I'm doing 220 where there's no work needed. After I'm done with all that, I'm gonna use 220 on the whole bumper before applying the primer. Okay guys, this is where we left it last night. I stopped because it was pretty cold and getting dark, and this thing was drying. So for the next day, this thing's completely dry. I still gotta add some more bondo right here. As you can see right here, I'm starting to mold it. That too. This little bit right here, still gotta sand that down, but overall it's coming together, guys. Primer it and paint it, but I still gotta do some more body work on that and try to attach that back to the bumper. So I'll go ahead and continue sanding that down. Okay guys, sorry for the noise. They have a party over there, but I am spraying the primer from a can. So I mean, primer doesn't really matter. It is painted, so I did add some adhesion promoter on some spots where you can see some plastic, as you can see. So that's why I did some adhesion promoter. Where there's paint, you don't really need it. I still sprayed a bit just in case, but I ran out of primer. I already did primer the side moldings right there. They're dried. I just left them, just so the kids won't throw them on the ground or something. But I need to go get more primer. and I'm still waiting for this thing to dry on some spots to continue. I will be painting it with the spray gun. I do have the paint with me already, so let me go to the store and get some primer. Okay guys, just received another package. I opened it, but I haven't seen, I know what it is, but I haven't seen it. So this thing's gonna be pretty cool, guys. And it's gonna be, I don't know if you can tell, it goes on the hood. I was gonna get a complete hood, but this was cheaper. Hopefully it turns out okay. Let me show you guys. I'm pretty sure you could tell already, guys. This is gonna be the hood scoop I bought for the Jeep. Like I said, I was planning on buying the whole complete hood, but you know, waiting for some parts. It was cheaper. I'm gonna try to work on this. This is what I got on the mail, but as you can see, it's pretty bad from everywhere. I should have just went and bought the hood. The hood was 540, I believe it was, and this thing was 250 shipped. So, but it's a lot of work. I'm gonna end up cutting this just to make sure it sits right, and I don't know, find a way to do something here also, so that gap and that gap, that gap is better than this one. It's just too big. Unless you're willing to do the work, then that's okay. Save you some money, but 250 and all this, practically I'm gonna have to, I don't know, maybe have to redo it again. I don't know, it's gonna be a lot of work. But I'm gonna start measuring the hood, so I could see where this thing's gonna be sitting at. Probably screw it down, and then so it could be in place, and then cut it and try to mold everything back in place. But we'll see. For now, I'm just gonna measure it and see where it's gotta go. Okay guys, so today I'm gonna start primering the fender, the front bumper, and removing these plastics right here, those running boards, and installing the SRT8 running boards that I primered already. So I'm gonna clean it off with some alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and start spraying it. I will remove the bumper to spray it off the car. So let's do that. guys, so now I'm gonna remove the grill because it's chrome, and remember, gotta paint it black. So I'm gonna start sanding it down like you see right now, and primer it and get it ready for paint.
I'm still waiting for this side to dry. This side is drying, and I still give it another pass, 1 or 2 more passes. But overall, it's okay. It's doing good. And next time you're gonna see it's gonna be completely primered. So you gotta give 1 more pass on this.
Okay, this is where we're at. That's primer. This is primered. I removed the grill. It's drying right there. Got this side primered. So now it's time to sand it down and start spraying. I also gotta find a way to mold this. I haven't thought about it. I don't know how am I going to do it. I've been looking for some videos also on how people have been doing it, and there's not that much. So, oh my god, let's see. I'll see what I can do. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Stay tuned for my next videos. Like I said, give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down, whatever makes you happy. Leave a comment. I'm be happy to reply to your comments, share, and like I said, don't forget to subscribe, guys. See you guys in the next one.